Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up alarm clock timer on MSI MPG monitor. To do this, first you will need to click on the button behind the right side of your screen, scroll down to the gaming, then scroll to alarm clock. Right here we can change the location where the timer should be displayed. In this case we're going with the left top. Then there's off, which will turn off the timer, or you can switch between different time options. In this case, let's go for 15 minutes. When we click on it, we can confirm it and then go back, and the timer should display in the top left corner of the screen. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.